Creating a manual invoice without a purchase order, guided flow. In this flow, you will learn how to manually enter an invoice that has no purchase order. This is most likely due to the invoice being for a contracted service such as linen. Click Documents. Click Invoices. Click the green plus invoice. Input the invoice number. Make sure to input the invoice number exactly as it appears on the invoice, including any special characters preceding zeros. Invoice numbers are unique. Inputting a duplicate invoice number will cause a system error. Select the invoice date by clicking the calendar icon. Input the invoice total, including tax. Input the invoice tax total. Search for the supplier. If you can't find your supplier, try adjusting your search terms. If you still don't have any luck, you will need to speak with your Purchase Plus account administrator, usually your finance team, to have the supplier created on your account. Select the department the invoice is for. Search for the account code. You can search by account code number or description. Enter the reference. This will appear in the description field in your accounts payable system. Click Save. Click the green plus to start adding lines to the invoice. Search for a product or service description. If you cannot find a suitable description, click the green plus to create a new one. If no matches are found, try adjusting your search terms or create a new description. Input the unit price or total for this line. Input the quantity. Note, if in the previous field you entered the line total instead of unit total, make the quantity 1 here. Input the tax percentage. All lines will default to the account code in the header of the invoice unless another is selected here. All lines will default to the department in the header of the invoice unless another is selected here. Click Save. Keep adding lines until you have balanced the invoice. Note, do not select Next until you have balanced the invoice. Click Attachments. Click Plus Invoice Attachment. Attach a copy of the invoice document for archiving purposes. Click on the Lines tab. Click Complete. You have completed this task.